Hey folks, hi and welcome back to the channel if you're already a subscriber, and a special welcome to you if you're new here. Hey, if you are into independence, if you are into having your home less reliant on the grid or society as a whole, or you just want to be prepared for uncertain times, you are in the right place. This month, I am focusing on 3 key preparedness activities that I think every household can benefit from, whether you live in the country or in the city, whether you live in a large place or a small place. We are talking about food security, financial freedom, and tightening up our food preparedness game. So let's dive in. First up, gardening with preservation in mind. So every single thing that I've planted this month has a purpose beyond just immediate eating. This isn't just about eating fresh, it's about building long-term food security. We've got carrots and beans, specifically for pickling. Our family loves dilled carrots and dilled beans. They are a family favorite and we produce many pickling jars full of them. We've also got beets. Some are for freezing and some are for pickling. Everyone loves beets, don't they? For one reason or another. Beets are a nutrient powerhouse that store well both ways. Added to that, corn, and not just for sweet corn on the cob, although that is awesome. We are growing varieties that we can dry, we can pop, or we can grind into flour, or even feed the chickens this winter. Fruit trees, a new apple tree put in this year, cherries, currants, honeyberries that we can turn into amazing spreads, desserts, and preserves. Planting with your preservation strategy in mind is huge. It saves a ton of time and effort down the line and ensures that you have what you need when the growing season is done. Preparedness isn't just about food and gear. It's also about financial freedom. That's the second thing I'm focusing on this month. So I've been working hard on collapsing financial timeframes, basically paying off as much debt as I can as fast as I can. Why? Because the less debt I have, the less control the financial system has over me and my family. I'm also stacking precious metals, gold and silver. I'm not a financial advisor, but for me, metals are a tangible store of value that aren't tied to a digital system. Just a small stack every month can really add up over time. And lastly, I'm increasing my income streams, working a bit more, hustling a bit harder right now to give myself breathing room later. Independence is not free, but the payoff is worth it. Next up, and really important, is number 3, food stores checks. I do this every few months with my wife, and this time I'm focusing on filling the gaps. That means checking each category. We've got proteins, right? Canned goods, yummy condiments, and shelf-stable fats, just to make sure that we're not short on anything. We had one big win this month. We bought ground beef, actually at Costco, in bulk. So did you know that you can buy a case of hamburger and it's in 10-pound tubes, and we portioned that into meal-sized servings. So this is bought at a discount price, and I'm not sure if that's the way it is where you live, but where we are, that's the case. So you actually seal that in individual bags, label it, put it in the freezer, and it is way cheaper than buying the pre-packaged portions. Here's some other tips for food storage. Keep an inventory list of what you have and what needs rotating. Store what you eat and eat what you store. Don't these raspberries look amazing? Well, these raspberries are actually good in this can if I don't open it for 25 years. This meal of beef pot roast is good for 20 years unopened. Here's just a little trick to improve your food storage. So if you open something, replace it with 2. So if you've ate 1 can of chili, replace it from 2 from the store. If you've used up a meal package like this, replace it with 2 from the store. That's how you build resilience over time. Life gets busy. I get it. That's why for over 10 years, our family has turned to THRIVELIFE freeze-dried foods almost daily. So no more chopping, no more last-minute grocery runs, just real food, ready in seconds. THRIVELIFE covers it all. Proteins, fruits, veggies, even full meals. It's perfect for weekday dinners, camping trips, or emergency preparedness. They stay fresh for 25 years unopened. So we are always ready, no matter what. For us, it's part of the whole preparedness picture. There's a link to my THRIVELIFE storefront in the video description if you want to check it out. Preparedness isn't fear-based, it's freedom-based. Whether it is planting food for your harvest, or it is finances, or it's skills, or it's food storage. The more we handle ourselves, the less dependent we are on the systems that may not have our best interests at heart. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone. You have questions or want to share what you're working on this month? Drop a comment below. I would personally love to hear it. Until next time, stay safe, stay ready, and keep growing.